It's damn windy right now, and let's do a reading. What do we want to ask? What's coming ahead? Like, what blessings are coming ahead? Let's keep it that way. One blessing you have attracted, I'll tell you, is that, you know, there are people, and now this is about frequency, this is about souls. I'm going very deep right now. That you have moved that energy of people who have come with bad intentions in your life into something really beautiful for you before it reaches yourself. And now you have cultivated that habit, or maybe like a cleansing system or something that works in your favor for keeping these energies, and you're not nullifying them. Like, it would be useless if somebody is like coming with projection and if you retaliate or react, but you are now responding, as well as that energy, you're keeping it very clear. You know, you're sending a very clear message to universe that this is what I want. You know, this is how I am treated, this is how I treat myself. Hence, people have to treat you like that. If they don't, because you will not accept that energy, and whatever that energy that they project, because it's not in your hands whether they project that energy or not. So what you are doing is you are turning that entire energy into your favor, into what you want, what you deserve, and then letting it reach you. That's very beautiful talent or energy transformation that you are doing there right now. Also, there is something happening in your love life. Something happening in your love life that you have questions about, and it's not that, you know, you're worrying about it at all, but you have these questions at a very in a very subconscious place of your mind, in your subconscious. One card flipped. Yeah. And you are really confused about what's happening. Maybe you're getting a lot of dreams, maybe you're getting a lot of downloads, a lot of intuition, like a lot of downloads, like messages from universe, some confirmation, something that's, you know, it's trying to like tell you. And not everything happens is destiny, but of course everything happens is destiny. So you are trying to understand, like, what is that you're so confused about this energy that's coming your way, but you know better something better is coming your way. Even this is a lot related with your emotional abundance. Like, if you had been ill treated in the past, or if you have had actually, there you go. If you didn't have clarity about somebody's intention, somebody's actions, and now you have that insight, you know what their intentions are. And of course, that has confused you a lot, because that's not what you thought about. You thought everybody, like, why would somebody have like ill intentions, kind of a thing. You had to have your experiences. Now you are welcoming those relationships that are going to give you the same or even more. Like, there's no like, of course there are always intentions. It does not have to be a balance in any relationship that it's like 50 50. Sometimes it's 80 20. Sometimes it's it's not equal all the time, but the other person understands. There's understanding, there's identification of that energy, and you behave because you behave accordingly to support, right? That first you're doing with yourself, and you have done that before, but what energy that came to you, that was probably negative, but you still made that part, the negative part, like, somehow you are that strong. Okay. And now you are entering the relationships where um, you're being treated the way you are supposed to be treated, with love, respect. We had the Queen of Cups at the bottom of the deck, and we have the King of. Probably it's also, again, we were talking about love. So this love is going through a level up. You can check out this song. It's a might be a message for you. So you're getting emotional stability. I have the world. Like, how come? I say I have the world. You're letting things go. You are releasing. The blessing is you're releasing, and a start of a relationship. I will take this card. See, everything negative. You're already like putting down the load. You're not carrying it forward at all anymore. Wow, such a relief. And I will take the Queen of Cups, and you know what the other cards are? Empress and Four of Wands. A beautiful commitment toward coming. So you are entering a beautiful relationship, or your relationship is leveling up. If these are the questions that you had about your love life right now, this is what it is. It has turned out to be a love reading somehow. Never happened with me. It could be a twin flame. Twin flame do attract. And you're understanding that you both are nurturing this relationship. There is, like, it's not a equal give and take, but you both have the same intentions towards each other. And you both are nurturing this relationship. World. The universe is making it happen. Even though, then the universe is making it happen because you have understood your responsibility in this relationship. And this is not a usual relationship. It's a very unusual kind. Unusual because actually this relationship that you have should be the usual, but You know, we are in a society, so we learn through our experiences what we really believe about love, about respect, about treatments, about behavior, even your own behavior. So, that beautiful journey you both are going through right now, emotional, very, very emotional. And emotions are a strength for you guys because you're the king and the queen of cups. A lot of water signs may be watching this. It's a very beautiful relationship that is coming towards you, or you're leveling up. Lot of people, and we see like the graph, like look at that, blue, and both are like taking action on each other's abundance. And of course, your own. You guys are empress, like you already have to give, and you're the right person now. That's the blessing that's coming towards you guys.